gaming tablets are all the same? Think again. Today, we're unboxing the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro, launching globally as the Red Magic Astra 2. Unlike regular compact tablets from Apple, Huawei, or Oppo, this one is built from the ground up for serious gamers. Let's see what makes it special. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Starting with the unboxing, the compact size immediately stands out. It's lightweight, easy to grip, and perfect for long gaming sessions. Inside the box, you get a 100-watt fast charger, a USB Type-C cable, and a 21-volt 4.75-amp high-speed charging solution. Now let's check out the tablet. The first thing you'll notice is the solid build quality. It sits perfectly flat with zero wobble, even when pressing the corners. The camera is also completely flush, so it stays stable on a desk without any annoying camera bump. The display is just over 9 inches, giving you a bigger gaming screen while still feeling compact. Compared to a smartphone, it's surprisingly portable. You can comfortably use it in portrait mode and even imagine carrying it in a large pocket. Looking around the tablet, the volume buttons sit on the longer edge and also work as mode controls. The power button is recessed on the shorter edge, making it comfortable to hold. Dual stereo speakers are placed symmetrically, while the USB Type-C port is positioned higher, so the charging cable stays out of your way during landscape gaming. Even while charging, the grip remains comfortable. On regular tablets, like the iPad, the buttons are designed mainly for one-handed use, which isn't ideal for gaming. Red Magic solves this with an extra USB Type-C port on the longer side, giving you more charging options without affecting gameplay. Flip it over, and the gaming DNA is obvious. The metallic finish looks premium, the matte texture resists fingerprints, and the iconic Red Magic styling instantly stands out. The rear camera stays completely flush, and you'll also spot the built-in night cooling system inspired by Red Magic's flagship gaming phones. We'll see it in action soon, but first, rate this design out of 100 in the comments. Powering it on, the display looks incredibly clean. The bezels are perfectly even on all sides, creating a balanced look. Switch to a bright wallpaper and you'll notice something interesting. There's no visible selfie camera cutout. That's because the front camera is hidden in the center for landscape use, proving this tablet is made for gamers. Now for the display. It supports 60 Hz, 120 Hz, and an ultra-smooth 185 Hz refresh rate, giving FPS games a huge boost in fluidity. Finally, let's turn on the RGB lighting. This is where the tablet really comes alive. The glowing lights combined with the built-in night cooling system give it a true gaming personality. The RGB effects even change dynamically to show the tablet's status while you play. There's also a dedicated night cooling mode to drop temperatures quickly. Hit turbo mode and it runs an intense 30-second cooling cycle for rapid heat reduction. You can even keep night cooling active while fast charging, helping the tablet stay cooler during heavy gaming. But does this gaming tablet actually beat the competition? Let's find out. Compared to other compact tablets, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro is built for pure performance. It runs on Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Ultra chip, combined with Red Magic's gaming optimization. The brand is known for pushing flagship hardware to its limits, and this tablet is no exception. One of the biggest highlights is the 185Hz refresh rate. Gameplay feels incredibly smooth, especially in fast FPS titles where every frame counts. It also packs a huge 8300 mAh battery, charging from 0 to 100% in under an hour during our indoor testing. Both USB Type-C ports support 80-watt fast charging and wired reverse charging. Charge from either side while gaming without the cable getting in your way. And now, watch this. Don't try this yourself. Why are we doing this? Because the tablet can work like a power bank, charging your smartphone through wired reverse charging. It's a useful feature, but again, this is only a demonstration. Now for gaming performance. I tested several popular games at their highest frame rates. Even after 30 minutes of heavy gaming, the tablet was only slightly warm. The large vapor chamber and advanced cooling system keep temperatures under control, helping performance stay stable. The Pro version also supports Steam Direct Connection through compatible PC emulators. Log in, download supported games, or access your cloud saves, connect a controller, and enjoy many PC games almost anywhere. Not every new AAA title is supported, but many popular games run surprisingly well. I tested Cyberpunk 2077 and Black Myth Wukong, and compatibility impressed me. Before trying more games, it's always worth checking Red Magic's official compatibility list. You can also connect a controller for local multiplayer. Need a bigger screen? Instantly cast gameplay to your TV. Red Magic's screencasting remains smooth, low latency, and offers multiple modes, including screen mirroring, console mode, and wireless casting. Here's a quick look at the TV casting feature in action. So that's the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro. It delivers stronger hardware, a bolder design, and an even better gaming experience. In China, the base model starts at 4,999 yuan, around 556 pounds or $736. We'll have much deeper gaming tests coming very soon, so don't miss them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!